Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to show you how I make smoothie. A smoothie is the one of the healthiest breakfasts that I frequently prepare. This is the first thing we can consume on empty stomach because it is full of nutrients and also it helps in weight loss and it is quick and easy. So um, let's see how I make on everyday basis. One of the most important ingredients in the smoothie preparation is vegetables. Along with the vitamins and minerals, it has also a lot of fiber in the vegetables, so you don't feel hungry for a longer time. And apart from all these vegetables, I take the carrots. It adds so much thickness and also sweetness. Otherwise, I'll also take spinach. So these are the two things I take as a one of the ingredient in the smoothie. The basic ingredient in any smoothie is fruits. So I will take apple or mango or banana as a base. So it gives thickness and it gives taste, sweetness to the smoothie. So any of them I will take it. Any smoothie is a combination of different fruits, so it's better to add any berries. But I try to add strawberries because it gives a nice flavor to your smoothie. So otherwise you can also add blueberries or blackberries, your choice. One more important ingredient to make smoothie creamier is avocado. Avocado has a lot of health benefits. It has a lot of potassium and fiber and monosaturated fatty acids. So we can use avocado. And alternatively, we can also use peanut butter. Peanut butter will make a smoothie more tastier. It is also very healthy. So I always add peanut butter or avocado in smoothie. Liquid ingredients I will add in the smoothie is milk. We can also include water or coconut water, but I use always milk. Another important ingredient in the smoothie is always make sure to add some kind of nuts. It will add lot of fiber so that you will not feel hungry, and it has lot of health benefits. So I will try to add any of them like walnuts and flax seeds or something like that. And at the end I will sprinkle some dry fruit nut mixture. In this video I am going to show you how I make nut mixture in my smoothie as well. So I have taken almonds and I will to make this mixture I take the almonds. So initially I will grind the almonds, so it has to be chopped nicely. So I am grinding the almonds first, and then I will add the same amount of walnuts. So walnuts also I am adding here, and I will also add some chia seeds. And to give some extra sweetness, I am chopping the dates, and I will blend them together. So the mixture is ready, and we can save it for in a glass jar so that it you can sprinkle on top of the smoothie. It gives some crunchy feeling and also along with some health benefits. This is how I always prepare smoothie in my home. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe.